The best turkey gravy is made from the hot turkey drippings, and ours is no exception. Heat olive oil in a sauté pan over medium-high heat and cook the onions for 10 minutes or until the onions are tender and golden brown. Whisk flour into the onions until it has coated the onions and is no longer white. The flour will thicken the broth. Onions are the aromatic of choice for gravy. Add the chicken or turkey broth and reserved turkey drippings, whisking to combine. Continue to cook until the gravy is thickened. Reduce the heat and simmer for a few more minutes. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and whisk in the minced fresh chives. Chives give the gravy a bit of color and add a bright layer of mild onion flavor. Transfer your turkey onion gravy to a gravy boat or serving dish and serve it piping hot.